So now I have just glued the strap piece on. So here are both of those X pieces glued on. What's up guys, so today we are making the Spider-Man No Way Home web shooter or Gauntlet or whatever it is. So this Gauntlet or web shooter is actually really easy to make. So please watch the full tutorial of how to make this entire web shooter. And before we move on, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. So now, let's get into the whole tutorial right now. So first, I'm going to be drawing out the shape of the base piece. So I'm still using the same template from Greg's channel, Propway. It's just really easy, and I can't find any other images on Google, so I just know that his templates are so much better. So thanks, Greg. So now I am cutting the piece out of the foam. So I recommend you guys having a really sharp blade for this, so that way you guys have really smooth cuts through the process. And if your craft knife is not sharpened or replace the blade, so that way you guys can get clean cuts throughout the cutting process. So here is the piece cutting out. So now I am cutting out this piece right here.
Here we are on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this.
So basically, this piece goes right here. So to glue this piece onto this piece, I'm going to be using some super glue.
Thoughts racing through my head. I try to capture it, but a picture can't hold what a heart is feeling. I just wanna stop the world from spinning, slow it all down for a minute, so that I can take it in. I can take it in. Here we are on top of the stars. Never thought.
So now I have these X-shaped pieces that I am cutting out of the foam. So now what I'm doing is that I'm going to be gluing both pieces on to the web shooter base like this. So here are both of those X pieces glued on. So now I am cutting the forearm strap. So now I am going to be gluing the piece onto the base. So now I have cleaned out the wrist strap piece. So now I have just glued the strap piece on. So for this side right here and over here, I'm actually adding some duct tape on because I'm basically playing okay, I'm gonna say this. So basically I have added some duct tape right here. So that way I can take out my arm. So basically I'll be putting it in like this, and then I would just close the strap like this and add the duct tape on, and that's how it works. So now I am cutting out this circle piece right here. So now I'm just gluing this piece right here. So now I am cutting this piece out. So now I am gluing this piece right here. So here is the entire piece glued on. Time to paint, the best part. So basically I'm using this gold acrylic paint. So with my paintbrush, I am painting the whole gauntlet gold. So now we are all finished.